In today's world, customers expect their goods to be delivered on time and in full, no matter what. But process inefficiencies get in the way. And without knowing what these are, where they happen, and how to fix them, achieving customer expectations is almost impossible. Celonis' execution management platform applies real-time process intelligence to the data in your systems to find inefficiencies and drive automated actions to fix them. Here's how it works for the inventory management process. Celonis tracks the core supply chain KPIs in real time against industry benchmarks. As we can see, the turnover rate is below target and trending downwards. A decline in the turnover rate implies excess stock is accumulating in inventory, tying up working capital. By getting this to industry standard, the department can drive $48 million worth of business impact. Let's see how. This supply chain network shows the flow of every material and dollar from the supplier to a warehouse, through distribution hubs, and ultimately to the customer for end-to-end visibility. We see that the warehouse in Rotterdam is showing an unusually low turnover rate, impacting our inventory levels in this location. Such transparency saves significant time and effort in pinpointing crucial issues across the complex supply chain. But let's dive one level deeper. Celonis untangles this complexity by diagnosing the who, what, where, when, and why of these low turnover rates and automatically prioritizes them by impact. The top inefficiency, high safety stock levels, occurs more than 3,000 times, leading to accumulation of inventory. Taking a deeper look, we see that high safety stock levels alone have an impact of $31 million on cash flow, by tying up working capital and through operational costs associated with obsolescence, storage, and insurance of excess stock. Let's now see how Celonis resolves this at scale with action flows. Action flows bridge the gap between insights and execution by orchestrating all moving parts across a complex technical landscape. They interact with people, systems of record, enterprise workflow tools, and even RPA bots. This specific action flow analyzes each material in inventory and finds those for which the safety stock level is higher than the optimal safety stock level. If the model detects a small deviation, Celonis automatically updates the master data for the cases in the system. For high deviations, a workflow is triggered for our human in the loop, the material manager, to review the information. Anyone can build such end-to-end orchestrations with action flows. We have over 1,000 pre-built connectors, and it's a simple drag and drop exercise to quickly define the logic. In fact, many clients want to leverage their existing RPA investments like Automation Anywhere, which we support with action flows. Let's now have a look at the tasks for our human in the loop, the material manager. Celonis empowers teams with purpose-built applications that provide intelligent process insights and data-driven execution to proactively optimize inventory levels. All relevant tasks are presented with a prioritized list of items that require attention. When looking at one of the open materials, Celonis provides all the necessary context needed to take action based on the specialist's knowledge and experience. Based on the information provided, our material manager decides to update the safety stock level in the master data with the click of a button. To recap, Celonis EMS has enabled a real-time overview of low turnover rates on the supply chain, finding areas with greatest impact and fixing them on time for maximum performance. By applying process intelligence to our data to drive intelligent action, Celonis has enabled the entire organization to operate at its full potential. Companies are realizing millions in value with Celonis. Are you curious? Visit us at www.celonis.com.